was so busy looking at everything in the middle and all the new suspension, everything, because I have never been on a bridge like that. That is so cool. And I usually hate bridges, but it like drew my attention to the center, and I like that. It's a good start to Corpus Christi. Woohoo! Just a bit of taxi dust. And this is why we love coming to Corpus. Look at that view. I love it. Just driving down the street and you run into the water. I have to say, we have found a beautiful hotel here on the Marina. Here's our plain Jane Holiday Inn room. But the best part about this room is it's right on the Marina in Corpus Christi. So, here's the view from our room. As my husband said, it's kind of a view. It's off a corner, you know, but it's pretty nonetheless. I'm enjoying my Valentine's Day weekend for sure. But don't you love it when you check into a hotel room and like, this is where you're supposed to plug stuff in? Really? It's just gonna, yeah, that's not gonna happen. The only one that actually works in the room is the one down here. But hey, there's a view of the Marina. It is also off season. Like, we're here for the night before Valentine's Day. Like, it's still a Friday night, but we paid very reasonably for the room, especially on the Marina. It's off season. We didn't choose Valentine's Saturday night. No. We're too old for that. We're still going to enjoy tomorrow. We check out tomorrow. We've got some things to do around town, and then we'll head home, and we'll still have a fun Valentine's Day. They have a lovely seating area out here, but an even better view. And yeah, we are right on the Shoreline Boulevard, so lots of traffic, lots of palm trees. What's the first thing I do when I check into a hotel? I am headed to the pool. It's an indoor-outdoor here, an innie-outie. I'm excited. Proof I dipped my toes in. If I were young, I could swim underneath to the outside. But I am not. Alrighty. I made it in the pool. I actually made it in the pool. I'm not staying. This is freezing. It is February on the coast, and it is so cold. But you kind of get used to it. But my teeth are probably about to start chattering, so I'm going to get out.
Hey! Come back, wherever you are!